yan o kuha ka ng ganito o ano.
Yes, kuha lang kayo kay dami. Daming flower. Grabe, kabagan sa flowers. Happy birthday, PRRD. We wish you having here in the Philippines. Thank you to the Filipino people. You care about. Thank you so much for letting us know that we have someone like